Hey guys, today we have the battle of three of the strongest bays in Metal Fusion. So we have Storm Pegasus, Lightning L-Drago, and of course Rock Leone. So first to get 5 wins this battle wins the whole match. And Rock Leone gets the first point. Two points for Rock Leone. And Storm Pegasus gets his first point. So it's now 2-1-0. 2 for Rock Leone, 1 for Storm Pegasus, and 0 for Lightning L-Drago. And Rock Leone gets his third point. So it's now 3 for Rock Leone, 1 for Storm Pegasus, and 0 for L-Drago. And Lightning L-Drago gets his first point. And Storm Pegasus gets 2 points now. And I think that's a draw. And Lightning L-Drago gets his second point. So it's now 3 for Rock Leone, 2 for both Storm Pegasus and Lightning L-Drago. And Rock Leone gets 4 points, so it's match point for Rock Leone. And I'll give that to L-Drago. So it's now 3 points for L-Drago. And Rock Leone wins the whole battle. Rock Leone wins the whole battle. And second place is Lightning L-Drago with a score of 3. And last one is Storm Pegasus, unfortunately, with a score of only 2 points. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see next time who wins when these three get to face each other again. But with these two having their upgrades, Meteor L-Drago and Galaxy Pegasus, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and that's it. Thanks for watching.